In part one, I covered the more advanced online business models. Now, let's look at the categories that are typically more beginner friendly, especially if you're balancing a 9 to 5. Four beginner friendly categories to start in 2026. Category number 4, content led businesses. It builds trust first, monetizes second. Business idea number 1, YouTube and digital products. You teach publicly and sell privately. An example would be a business, career, or AI YouTube channel. The startup is generally $0 to $100. The effort is medium to high. The revenue potential is 1,000 to 50,000 per month, and the startup time is immediate. Best backgrounds for this is usually going to be teaching, storytelling, and this one is definitely AI scalable. Business idea number 2, newsletter and offers. Emails build a direct relationship that you control. An example here would be an AI or career newsletter. The startup cost is generally $0 to $50. The effort here is medium with a revenue potential of 2,000 to 20,000 per month. The startup time is about a week, and the best background for this is going to be researchers, thinkers, creative people, and this one is definitely AI scalable. Category number 3, education and coaching. It's teaching skills people want now. Business idea number 1, live training programs. Structured programs with a clear start and end. An example here would be manager training. Startup cost is about $50 to $200. The effort is high, but the revenue potential is about 5,000 to 50,000. The time frame is about 45 to 90 days to get things started, and the best backgrounds for this is going to be leadership roles. This business is also AI scalable. Business idea number 2, group coaching, one to many. Help multiple people at once. An example here would be career or business coaching. The startup cost is generally around $20 to $100. The effort is medium. The revenue potential is about 3,000 to 30,000 per month, and the estimated time to get started is about 2 to 4 weeks. The best background for this is usually going to be mentors or teachers, and this one is also AI scalable. Category number 2, AI powered services. It sells outcomes using AI. Business idea number 1, AI automation consultant. Here you streamline business operations. An example here would be automation for medical or service businesses. The startup cost is generally around $50 to $150. The effort here is medium to high, but with a revenue potential of 3,000 to 20,000 per month. The time to get started is roughly about 30 to 60 days, and the backgrounds that best fit this would be operations. And this one here is AI scalable as well. And business idea number 2, AI content repurposing. One piece of content becomes many. An example here would be long videos being turned into shorts or email. A startup here would be about $30 to $100. The effort is medium with a revenue potential of 2,000 to 10,000 per month. The time to get started is about 2 to 3 weeks. And the best background here is going to be creatives. And this one is also AI scalable. And before we get into category number 1, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we'll be talking about topics like this all 2026. And I'd love for you to join me. All right, category number 1, digital products. It allows you to create once and sell repeatedly. Business idea number 1, ebooks and guides. Solve one clear problem. An example here would be a relocation or career guide. The startup cost is generally around $20 to $50. The effort is about medium. The revenue potential, 1,000 to 25,000 per month, and the estimated time it gets started is about 2 to 4 weeks. Great background for this would be problem solver. So if you've ever solved a problem before and you know how to repackage it and outline it and type it up, you can do this. This business is also AI scalable. Business idea number two, templates and toolkits. These are shortcuts that people gladly pay for. An example here would be checklists or dashboards. The startup cost generally around $0 to $30. The effort here is low to medium. Revenue potential 500 to 15K per month. The estimated time of getting started is about 1 to 2 weeks. And the best backgrounds for this is going to be ops, admin, and creatives. And this business, of course, is AI scalable. All right, you guys. So now that you've seen all 8 categories, the next step is choosing the one that fits your experience, time, and energy. That's exactly what we'll cover next. I will see you in the next video.